Hi everyone, in this video we'll be talking about the different land biomes involving their annual rainfall, average temperatures, and the annual relationships within the specific biome. In this video, there are 7 main types of biomes we're going to talk about, starting with the temperate deciduous forests. The temperate deciduous forests have many different types of trees, plants, and animals, such as ferns, mosses, bushes, bears, elks, and many different species of birds. The food chain of this specific biome may start with a bush and then an animal that eats the bushes, like an elk, and then end up with the apex predator of this specific biome, which is the bear. The temperate deciduous forests have an average yearly rainfall of 75 to 125 centimeters and an average temperature of 28 Celsius in the summer and 6 Celsius in the winter. Now we move on to the coniferous forest. This forest biome is also very similar to the temperate deciduous forests, having similar animals like elks, bears, and also having a handful of different species of birds, with trees and bushes just like the temperate deciduous forest. The main difference between the coniferous forest biome and the temperate deciduous forest biome is that it gets less rainfall with only 35 to 75 centimeters of rain annually or yearly, and it being colder with only 14 Celsius in the summer and negative 10 degrees Celsius in the winter. Now we come to the tropical rainforest, which is our third biome. The tropical rainforests have animals like jaguars and snakes, and also have insects like caterpillars and butterflies, and also has the most amount of species of birds compared to the other biomes. It also has a bunch of trees, the most in the world actually, and the soil is so poor because the nutrients are sucked by the trees. The tropical rainforest has an average yearly rainfall of up to 400 centimeters, the most compared to the rest of the biomes, and has an average temperature of 34 degrees Celsius in the daytime and 20 degrees Celsius in the nighttime. The reason that the tropical rainforest is compared during the daytime and nighttime is because all year round it has around the same temperature. Now we have come to the temperate grassland, which, like the name, is full of grass. Animals like deers and buffaloes are known for grazing the grassland, and animals like lions, cheetahs, and hyenas are known for hunting the buffaloes or deers, even sometimes giraffes. The grassland also has few trees. The temperate grassland has an average yearly or annual rainfall of 25 to 75 centimeters of rain, and in the summer it has 30 degrees Celsius, and in the winter it can go down to up to 0 Celsius. We have now come to the fifth biome, which is the savanna, which is similar to the grassland, having similar animals like buffaloes, bison, and even lions. Zebras also graze the land. The main difference between the grassland and the savanna is that there is more trees in which giraffes used to eat from. The average yearly rainfall in the savanna is 150 centimeters of rain, and the average temperatures is calculated through seasons, unlike the other biomes. In the dry season, it has 34 Celsius in average, and in the wet season has 16 Celsius on average. Now we're down to the last two biomes, one of them being the desert biome. The desert biome has animals like camels, turtles, anteaters, hyenas, even gazelles. The food chain normally starts with cactuses eaten by camels and then hunted down by hyenas or another kind of apex predator. The average yearly rainfall of the desert biome is less than 25 centimeters, the driest biome on the list. The average temperatures of 38 Celsius in the summer, which is extremely hot, and 7 Celsius in the winter, which is surprising. Finally, we have the tundra desert biome, which has less organisms compared to the other biomes, and most of the organisms having white, thick fur, such as the great whale, the killer shark, bisons with thick fur, some different species of elk, and also some species of goat, and also commonly known walruses. Walruses and polar bears are the apex predators of the tundra region. The tundra region, there are two types of tundra desert biomes. The polar tundra, which is found near the north and south poles, and the alpine tundra, which is found at the top of tall mountains. The tundra desert biome gets a yearly rainfall of 30 to 50 centimeters, an average temperature of 12 Celsius in the summer, which is surprisingly warmer than expected, and a whopping negative 26 Celsius in the winter, which is extremely cold. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.